If you're seeing the CapCut error 404, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get CapCut working again as quickly as possible. This issue is usually caused by login problems, sync errors, cache issues, network problems, or even temporary server downtime on CapCut's side. So before you panic, try these fixes in order because one of them will usually solve the problem. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and app troubleshooting guides just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's start with the account login and sync issue fix. If CapCut is giving you an error 404, the app may not be syncing properly with your account. One of the easiest things you can do is clear the app or browser cache. If you're using the CapCut app, open the menu, go into settings, then look for cache size and clear it. Cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can cause login problems, loading issues, or strange errors like this one. If you're using CapCut in a browser, you can also clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes the browser stores old session data that prevents CapCut from loading properly. After clearing the cache, close CapCut completely and reopen it. Then sign in again and check whether the error is gone. In many cases, this simple step fixes the issue right away. Next, check your network settings. CapCut needs a stable internet connection to load your account, sync your projects, and connect to its servers. If your Wi-Fi is weak or unstable, you may see error messages like 404 because the app can't reach what it needs in the background. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue changes. If you're on Wi-Fi, restart your router if needed. If you're on mobile data, make sure your signal is strong and that other apps can connect normally. It's also a good idea to turn airplane mode on and off once, or reconnect to your network completely. Sometimes that quick reset is enough to refresh the connection and restore access. After doing that, reopen CapCut and test it again. If the error still continues, the next thing to check is whether CapCut is having a server problem. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all, it's on CapCut's side. To verify that, open your browser and search for "Is CapCut down?" Then click the Downdetector site to see the current status. Downdetector can show whether a lot of users are reporting the same issue, which is a strong sign that CapCut is experiencing downtime or a temporary outage. If you see that CapCut is down, there may not be anything wrong with your app or account. In that case, the best move is to wait and try again later. Server issues are usually temporary, and once CapCut restores service, the error often disappears on its own. So to quickly recap, if you get the CapCut error 404, first clear the app or browser cache through menu, settings, and cache size. Then check that your internet connection is stable, and finally, search online and use Downdetector to see whether CapCut is having a server outage. Following these steps in order will solve the problem for most users. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.